In this video, we'll look at how to install, update, and uninstall apps on Linux using the Flatpak package manager. If you're not familiar with Flatpak, it's an app store for Linux. The goal of Flatpak is to be a universal package manager that works across all Linux distributions, unlike APT and DNF, which are specific to Debian-based and Red Hat-based systems. Flatpak comes pre-installed on Linux Mint and Fedora. Other distributions don't include it by default, but you can easily set it up for your preferred distribution by following the instructions on this webpage. Now let's see how to install packages using Flatpak. First, we'll run the Flatpak list command. This shows you the packages that are already installed on your computer. This computer doesn't have any Flatpak packages yet, so let's install one. But first we need to find the ID of the app we want to install. For that, we use the Flatpak search command. Here I'm going to search for VLC Media Player. So this is the package that provides VLC Media Player. The important thing to remember is that when you install it, you need to use the application ID, not the name. Now let's install VLC Player using the Flatpak install command. One thing to keep in mind is that Flatpak packages generally use more disk space than native packages. That's because Flatpak apps run in an isolated environment and include their own runtimes and dependencies, so they usually use more disk space than apps installed with APT or DNF. But Flatpak apps do share runtimes when possible, so over time you'll already have most of the required runtimes installed. Okay, VLC Player is now installed. If we run the Flatpak list command again, you'll see VLC along with a few other packages. These are runtimes that VLC depends on. If you want to list only the installed apps without the runtimes, you can use the - app option like this. To update Flatpak packages, run the command Flatpak update. By default, this will update all installed Flatpak packages. However, you can update a specific app by providing its application ID. To uninstall an app, the command is Flatpak uninstall. By default, it will not remove user data. To remove user data, use the - delete data with the uninstall command. Also, runtimes that are no longer needed won't be removed automatically. If you want to remove them, you need to run Flatpak uninstall - unused. Whether to use Flatpak or a native package manager like APT or DNF isn't an easy question to answer. However, my recommendation is to use native packages if the available version works for you. Use Flatpak if the package isn't available through your system's package manager or if the native version is outdated. Regardless, you'll want to be familiar with the APT package manager if you're on Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, and DNF for Red Hat-based Linux. You can find tutorials for both in the video description.